Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing an office tour. Before we get started, I want to give you guys a little bit of background about why this office is so special to me. This is very special to me because it's full of firsts. This is the first house I ever purchased. This is the first home renovation project I ever did.
I have an event planning company that specializes in custom-made decorations, and I did my first event right here in this office space. Shout out to Makeover.
It's also the first big project that I ever did by myself. Besides the contractors who put in the drywall and the carpet, I didn't want any help doing anything. I didn't want any help assembling anything. I didn't want any help paying for anything. I didn't want any help at all because this was something that I wanted to do for myself, by myself.
Now let's take a look at the before.
Alright guys, this is the before of my office. Paneling on the wall right here. We have drop ceilings at the top. No light. With this big old rusty fireplace.
Mom.
You see the floor.
Mom. Help.
Okay. One more. Synopsis of the room. Alright guys, the room has been torn up. The floor has been extra dirty. All the paneling has been removed. My laundry room over there, the next room. This is the new drywall they're gonna put in. And yeah. What's wrong? Fireplace. Which is fine. They don't know it yet, but they're gonna remove these doors.
We got new carpet and drywall.
Alright guys, here it is. It looks like a completely different room.
Many months later, here's the reveal. First up is the craft area.
The main reason that I wanted this space was so that I could have somewhere to do projects. Now, my original design called for 3 different table spaces. I wanted a high table where I could do my crafts and projects. I wanted a low table that I could use for a sewing desk. And then I wanted a regular size table so that I could do things on the computer and plan out my crafts by hand.
After searching and searching, I found this table at IKEA that goes up and down. It was $450, but since I get 3 tables in one, I feel like it was worth it. On to the get ready area.
This is gonna be my closet. Closet.
Mom.
Closet.
What?
Closets everywhere.
Closets. Mom.
Yes, big girl.
It's like 11 o'clock at night, and I've been coming down here every day for the past few days to try and put these wardrobes together. I'm not finished yet, but just seeing this just made me know that there is progress. So I'm just gonna give you a sneak peek. It's up! Look at it! Y'all don't even know the struggle. These are IKEA books with no instructions, no words. All it is pictures. It's 100,000 screws. I got 100 screws left and I don't know what they're for, but you know what? It's good. So I'm gonna get back to work. Bye. To create the vanity space, I used 2 whiteboards from Home Depot and secured them to the wardrobes using L brackets. I covered a piece of project board and contact paper to create the desk space. And for the finishing touch, I added a mirror that I spray painted gold.
Alright, so this is my vanity space where I get ready. If I'm going out and I want to take my time and get ready, I sit here, I do my hair, and I do my makeup. That way I'm uninterrupted and I'm not taking up bathroom space. Now I had some lights that go up here, but you know, life happened, you know, they still in the box. And they probably gonna stay in the box. They probably will never see their intended space. But that's okay, because if I'm ever right here, I can just plug up a little lamp and it's good.
Finally, we have the chill zone. Whenever I want to hide from my kids, take a nap, or snuggle up with a book, I can do it right here on this couch.
I really wanted this space to be somewhere where I could work and get projects done, but I also feel like if you work hard, you should play hard, so this is also an entertainment space for me.
This couch used to be gray and it was too small for my living room. I reupholstered the couch using needle thread and some micro suede fabric that I got from Joann's. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done.
Whenever my friends come over, we come straight down here. We've had many a girl talks down here. We've gotten ready before we go out down here. We finish many a bottles down here. And it's nothing like having your own space. This is gonna be my office for about 2 more weeks before we have to repurpose the space. So even though I cried about it for 2 days, I'm trying to look at it as a bittersweet type of deal because this is my office now. Hopefully my next one will be bigger and better. And right now I'm just trying to think about the good times I had, even if it was just for a little bit. Alright guys, that was today's video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video where Chloe gonna create something new.